Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can change your checkout button color in your Shopify store. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
This video is sponsored by Checkout Ninja. Add countdown timers to create urgency, show Trustpilot reviews to build trust, and display available coupon codes right at checkout. Plus, upsell blocks, image banners, and more. All without writing a single line of code. Link in the description.
So for this, go to Shopify settings, then click on checkout, and then click on this customize button. Then click on settings and scroll down. Here you can see that buttons option. You can just select any of the color here. So I'm just selecting this green button and then save your changes. Now I will quickly show you in the checkout. So here you can see that the color has been changed. So that's it. You have successfully changed the background color of buttons in your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.